I'm Kevin, and today we're going to be looking at BSU,
what Marvin
yearbook,
got for his New
direct
York trip,
exchange, and an SAT question.
right here on Marvin's
Good Day,
channel. Let's
I'm
go.
Okay.
Yo, what is up, guys? As you know, maybe like a month ago by now, I went to New York for just a little New York trip, just for the weekend, around Valentine's Day. So I was gonna do a vlog, but I was kind of procrastinating on it, just throwing it off to the side. Said I would do this and that, but I didn't. And eventually, I just scrapped the idea, and I'm gonna save it for later. But I was unsatisfied not uploading anything, so I thought, why not just upload a video? And the only thing I could think of was just stuff I got there. So it's kind of like an unboxing, just what I got when I was in New York City. So here it is. My first item that I got up here, this is my vape for hunting cap that I got. Technically, I didn't get it in New York. I ordered it online like a month ago, but I got to it before I got inside my house, so I'm gonna count it anyway. This thing is so huge, dude. I feel like Toad with his like little mushroom head. It's fucking ginormous on me. Online, I saw it was on a discount for like $60 when originally it was like $225, so definitely a good deal. But yeah, it does not fit that well, but I think I'm gonna incorporate it in different outfits later on. I just have to do some experimenting, but that was pretty good. So we got the next one. This one I did get in the vape store in New York. There's a Madison Avenue UT with Baby Milo and Statue of Liberty. This one I was iffy about because I use this trip kind of like as a way to avoid buying stuff online because of shipping. So I did not look at this shirt online, but in the store I was tempted to buy more than what I wanted to get, just because it's store exclusive. So I just thought, you know what, I'll just pick up this one because I really like this one. I think it's really nice. You got the street on the back, you know, ripping where you from. Yeah. And yeah, pretty good shirt. This other one was one that I've been looking at online before I went. This is just a kind of like I guess like a BOGO, but like vape instead of Supreme. This one I really like just because it has like kind of like the city outline on there. This is vape, and I think it's really nice. I don't know why, I just like the city so much that I wanted to, you know, be the best in two worlds with vape on there and New York on there. And then you got the like little street on the side. Not that noticeable, but I mean, you still repping where you got it from, which is pretty cool. I love this shirt. I haven't gotten to wearing most of the things here or using the things here, but definitely I'll have to experiment after this video. Moving on to my next shirt, just a classic, you know, the staple, just the I Love New York tee. Nothing too crazy, pretty simple. Definitely should have ironed this maybe, but you know, it's just that, nothing more, nothing less. Just a good tee to wear around. Yeah, I think that's it, to be honest. Next one, starting with our accessories, or I guess merchandise, whatever you want to call it, figurines. I got this Baby Milo Statue of Liberty figurine that I was also eyeing online, and they had gold or like this color, I don't know, like green, I guess, greenish bluish. I ended up going with the greenish bluish because I asked the lady that was there, I was like, yo, give me some advice, and she was like, yeah, I think I gotta get this one. So I'm like, alright, bet. This one's pretty cool, you know, just a little thing to hold in my room, take it around with me, just be like, yeah, I went there, this is what I got. So I like it. And then last but not least, the fucking cats, bruh. I went to like this little Chinese shop in Chinatown, and I went in and there's like a section of a bunch of these cats that were like moving their hands and making clicking noises, and I don't know, like, it's so weird to say, but I was like drawn to them. But I think these are like solar powered, so you just put them in light and they'll start moving their hand. Unfortunately, I kept the defective one and gave the good one to John, so I guess I'm a good friend, but fuck you, John. I would have liked to have my little cat wave at me instead of making him wave. But yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for a new video because there's a good one that I think I might do with Julian, hopefully. But if not, you know, you'll know. I'll post it on my Instagram. But yeah, thanks for watching. Catch me in the next video and subscribe. Peace out.